Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Judge, we have an arraignment that came in off docket.
Yeah. What's
Lux, Harry? Do you have the case number?
oh, here it is. And I need to give it to you. You ready? The case number is 249-6571. Are you Perry Lux? Mr. Lux, you are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir. Okay. Do you need it again? The cause number? Sure.
It's just PC, Judge?
Yeah.
On February 12th, 2024, in Harris County, Texas, officers were dispatched to an assault. Officer met with complainant. Complainant and defendant were in a dating relationship, but are currently separated. Complainant and defendant got into a verbal argument. Defendant punched complainant on the right side of her face, causing pain. Defendant left the complainant's house. Defendant threw multiple rocks at complainant's window, causing multiple windows to break. Officer noted complainant had redness and swelling around her right eye and cheek. Officer noted multiple broken windows and rocks inside of the residence.
Have the rip done. Do we know if she wants to have contact with him or not?
No, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Lux, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of any weapons. I'm entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. That is a court order that identifies Ashley Mae Garcia as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot go within 200 feet of 8126 Sunny Ridge Drive or where she works. If you violate this court order, the state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you, and that's one of the worst cases you can pick up. Do you understand, sir? No contact, no weapons, don't pick up any new cases, and don't go near this house. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer, so I'm going to have you come up here, sign all our documents, and then we'll get you out of here. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions, though, sir. Please.
Was that THA?
THA, and he's got to sign the MOUP and bond conditions, please.
We have Bureau, Nicholas, come on up.
It's AMPUERO.
Mr. Lux?
You, Nicholas Ampuro. Sir, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
Let's do it again.
Yeah, the fiddle stop for expired tags. There was a smell of fresh marijuana emanating from the vehicle. It admitted to marijuana and pills being in the vehicle. PC search located approximately 60 grams of marijuana, 5 grams of Fazalone, Xanax. Fazalone was located in the supply $165 baggie directly behind the driver's seat, which Mr. Peruro was sitting in. The substance was within arm's reach of Mr. Peruro. Defendant confirmed with the that the Alvarado was his.
Mr. Ampur, I see that you have quite a significant criminal history. I'm not gonna put up with this. And I'm telling you now, you cause me any heartache, I'm gonna put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. I'm gonna find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have a valid Texas driver license, sir? You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me, promising me you're not gonna drive today. I don't care what your excuse is. If you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months every time you get in a car because it's an offense in and of itself. Do you understand? I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of dope or unprescribed controlled medication, you will go to jail. If I see that you have continual problem of not being able to stay sober, I'm going to put you in a rehab myself. And I promise you, you're not going to like the way that I address it. So if you have any demons, you better stop it by yourself. If you don't, I will do it for you. You understand? What do you do for a living, sir?
I work at a warehouse. I used to work at a warehouse, shipping and receiving. I know that it looks really bad.
Stop. I only wanted to know what you do for a living and how much money do you have coming in?
I'm currently unemployed.
You're what?
I'm currently unemployed.
Why?
I walked away from a position recently because it was just a hostile environment.
Are you high right now?
I'm just very nervous. Just very nervous.
You look high right now.
No, I'm not. I'm just very nervous. I'm trying to just take it in right now. I haven't been in trouble in 6 years. I switched.
You just had a falsifying your drug test dismissed a year and a half ago.
Yes, but I got it dismissed and it was for a good cause. I've switched everything around.
Please,
All right.
no drugs, no alcohol. I'm going to test you like crazy. Do you understand?
So I won't.
I'm going to have you fill out an application now for an appointed lawyer. After that, you'll get to sign a reset with Victoria. I'm going to have you swear to us that you're not going to drive. Then you'll get with Jeremiah for your bond conditions. And after that, I'll have you speak to a lawyer here momentarily, sir.
Judge, are you ready for the Spanish arraignment?
Yeah.
All right, Tom, come on up.
Hi, Ms. Hayes.
Then I have an off-docket matter.
Pause number.
Let me find it, Your Honor. She's here, present. PLA.
That, what's she talking about? Oh, no. Okay, what is it?
Okay, we have, it's 249-39520. Jasmine Blake.
Is that Ms. Blake?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come up, Ms. Blake. I am so not happy with you, Ms. Blake.
Yes, sir.
Over and over and over, and now you took off from the residential facility. If you thought that this was not going to go sideways, you're sorely mistaken. Tell me.
Yes, Your Honor. I want to speak with the state about an offer. She wants to get the case resolved today. And
She's on probation. She went to a residential facility, right?
yes,
And she jumped the fence the first time, and then she goes back,
that's what the allegation is.
and then she jumps the fence again, and this time it takes off. No. So we're gonna put you in one where you cannot now jump the fence. And I was thinking, can we do Hue? I'm not gonna just plead her guilty for the sake of pleading guilty when there are issues that need to be fixed. She goes with you.
I'm on this one. We'll bring her this one.
Okay, so, I was gonna do ISF or HUA,
He was gonna.
treat
lay on
the substance abuse, like either HUA or ISF, a facility that she can't just jump the fence again and just do the same thing. I mean, we've had issues with her for the years now, you know, it's not the first.
She started, her cases are last year, September, so.
Yeah, but it's been one thing after the other. You know, we gave her the chance last time and, you know, we wanted her to do well.
Yes.
We gave her the opportunity and she jumped the fence again and now she's been gone how long? You know, months. I don't want to just plead just to end up pleading
Right.
and then what's going to happen is she's just going to come right back with another criminal case. The idea is to head it off, figure out what's going on so it stops happening. So,
Are we gonna set it for a hearing for the, or are you
I
just?
guess, Snow, do you want to roll it to tomorrow to see what we can do?
I won't be back until the second.
You're leaving?
Well, my daughter is turning 4. We're having a little party. Birthday week instead of birthday month.
I go?
If you're willing to sing happy birthday, yes. I don't take off often, but for her,
I mean, if you want to set it to the second, I'm okay with that.
okay.
You know, okay. Let's do
Okay.
that.
Thank
And
you.
then if something happens in between, I'll call you.
Okay,
I have your cell phone and I'll just get on it.
thank you.
Have fun and happy birthday.